You guys, I'm sitting here officially grubbing for the evening. Let me put this phone down. You guys, this food is straight lit. Cheers, you guys. This is the best beer for me. And it's actually brewed right here in Tampa. Right by Busch Gardens. They have their own brewery. I love them. They're so good. My favorite. But cheers, you guys, to success. And to starting your own businesses, you guys. Just find your niche. Like, find something that you love to do. Just do it. Start as a hobby. You're going to realize that your hobby turns into your career. That is good. Let me not leave it in there. It's not like they're sponsoring me. But I'm available if you would like to. I need to go by there, actually. You guys, they're like literally right around the corner from where I live. I can go pay them a visit. See if I can partner up. Do a little advertising for them. That's what you guys do, you guys. That's how you make your money. You network all the time. Everybody I meet that I have a conversation with, any type of conversation with, gets my business card. Yep. You guys, this is so good though. I didn't even show you guys, but I posted all the videos. So I made a roast pork and I made cabbage and I made white rice. I didn't eat the rice though, so mine's just cabbage and the pork. And when I tell y'all it's the bomb, you already know. It's bomb. If I said it and I cooked it too, you already know it's straight laced. Straight laced. Ooh. I even have pretty much the recipe on there. I mean, I don't tell you guys measurements and stuff because you know what? I feel like people can, season stuff to their own taste buds. But you see it. This meat is tender, okay? Ooh. I'm trying to, make it like, yeah. Meat is tender. Tender. Back to me. Ooh. Let me try something. Ooh, cute. No, but let me tell you guys something. All this right here is not only healthy, but the way I cook, it is straight bomb. Okay? Straight bomb. You guys, I don't know what's going on with my hair and these colors, but as you can see, like, the more I wash my hair, the more the red just washes out and becomes more blonde. So, hey. Which I like my blonde and I miss my blonde kind of. So, I can always go to red. Whatever. I don't know y'all what y'all was saying right now enjoying this meal because the only thing I'm missing right now, which rice is not a big deal for me, but cornbread is. I'm telling y'all tomorrow, I'm going to make a cast iron. Well, basically skillet cornbread. Buttery is the word. Buttery. That's right here. You best get you some. You guys, I have so many ideas of things that I want to do. Not only am I a designer, I'm fly, I'm very stylish. So, of course I want to get into fashion. But I want to flip houses. Like, I want to own a lot of real estate. I want to have my own thrift store. I love thrift shopping. Thrift store shopping. I have so much stuff I want to do that I'm gonna do, not want to do. I don't want to do stuff. I'm doing it. My thoughts become realities because, see, I'm not one of those people that just procrastinate. I like to be about it. I really don't like talking about it because talk is cheap. Matter of fact, I don't even know about y'all, but last time I checked, talking was free. That's why people talk so much. Crap. If there was a fee for talking, there would be less to filter through. This meal is everything. I'm the only one eating right now. My husband does not feel well. He's in the bed. He's been in the bed all day. I gotta go, you guys. I'm getting another text message from my sister, my younger sister, Raquel. I love her. I love all my family, but I love her. Toodles!